Ever wondered if buying coffee while thinking about work counts as a business expense? Spoiler, it doesn't. Today, I'm sharing 5 common bookkeeping mistakes that could cost you big and how to fix them before they do. Hi, I'm Catherine Silverio from Silver Bullet Bookkeeping. Welcome to Bookkeeping Break. Clean books are essential. These mistakes may seem small, but trust me, they can cause big problems. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, mixing personal and business expenses. This one trips up so many owners, and yes, it starts with things like that cup of coffee you tried to write off. Nice try, but no. Or maybe you swiped your business card for personal groceries at the supermarket. It happens, but it's still not a business expense. So why does this matter? Mixing personal and business expenses makes bookkeeping messy and creates IRS red flags. Here's how to fix it so you don't end up in that trap. Open a separate bank account for your business. If you accidentally use the wrong card, record it as an owner draw or reimbursement, not an expense. Keep the line clean. Mistake number 2, recording expenses at the wrong time. Here's the classic example. You paid $2,400 for an annual insurance policy in January, but record the entire cost in that month instead of spreading it over 12 months. Now January looks awful, and the rest of the year looks better than it really is. Example 2, you receive your phone bill on August 25th, but you don't pay it until September 3rd. If you record it in September, you've shifted the expense to the wrong period. Here's the problem if you ignore this. When expenses are recorded in the wrong month, your profit and loss statement doesn't reflect reality. You might think you're more profitable or less than you are. It also affects tax timing, cash flow forecasting, and even decisions like whether you can afford to hire. Spoiler, not with bad data. So here's how to turn this around. Match expenses to the period they belong to. Use prepaid expense accounts for annual or quarterly payments. Enter bills when you get them, not just when you pay them. Mistake number 3, poor categorization of expenses. This is a big one. Dumping everything into miscellaneous, supplies, or my personal favorite, and I'm doing the little finger quotes here, uncategorized expense. Translation, I'll figure it out later. No, you won't. Here's what can go wrong. Miscategorized expenses lead to useless reports and missed deductions. On the flip side, being too detailed and having 250 accounts in your chart of accounts isn't helpful either, unless you enjoy scrolling for days. Well, here's how to keep this under control. Use clear, consistent, IRS-aligned categories. Keep it simple but meaningful, enough to see trends, not enough to need a search party. Review your chart of accounts annually. Mistake number 4, forgetting about tax deductions and write-offs. Ever pay for training, software, or memberships and forget to log them? Or drive to a client meeting but skip mileage tracking? Yep, money left on the table. Here's the problem if you ignore this. Every missed deduction is like tipping the IRS for no reason, and they don't even say thank you. Here are things you can do to prevent this mistake. Snap receipts with a phone app. Track mileage, subscriptions, and home office expenses consistently. Review your books monthly. Mistake number 5, doing it all yourself and doing it late. Many small business owners wait until tax season to do a year's worth of bookkeeping. By then, half the transactions are a guessing game. Like, what was this $129 charge from July? Was it for lunch, supplies, or my dog's vet bill? Well, why does this matter? Rushed books equals errors, missed deductions, and high stress. So here's how to turn this around. Set aside weekly or monthly bookkeeping time. Use software to automate where you can. Or hire someone like me. I love doing this. Seriously, it's my version of a good time. So call or email me for a free 30-minute discovery call, and let's talk about how to keep your books clean, stress-free, and tax-ready all year. If any of these mistakes sound familiar, don't panic. With better systems, you can clean up your books and focus on what you do best. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips. I'm Catherine Silverio with Silver Bullet Bookkeeping, keeping your books sharp so you don't have to.